If you're wondering how to set up a notification widget in Proof, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process, making sure you understand every step of creating and customizing your widget to boost conversions on your site. First, head over to your Proof dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you can try it completely free using the link in the description below, where we also have an exclusive bonus offer for you. Now, once you're logged in, let's get started with creating your notification widget. Click on Create a new campaign on your dashboard. You'll be prompted to choose from different campaign types, but since we're focusing on notifications, select Notification Widget. Don't worry if you're new to Proof, this process is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Next, you'll be asked to name your campaign. Choose something that helps you remember its purpose. If you're setting this up for a particular product or service, name it accordingly, like New Sale Notification or Free Trial Sign-up Alert. Now it's time to design your widget. Proof gives you several customizable templates. You can select one that fits your site's aesthetic. Once you choose a template, you can begin adjusting the details. You'll be able to change the text that appears in the notification, its color, and even the placement on your screen. Let's talk about content. For the message, you want to be clear and actionable. Something like John just signed up for a free trial, or Sarah bought our premium plan, can trigger a sense of urgency for other visitors. Keep the text short and impactful. After you've finalized the design, it's time to set up your targeting. This is where Proof really shines. You can configure when and where the notification will appear. Do you want it to show when someone is on a specific page, or after they've spent a certain amount of time on your site? Proof lets you personalize this in a way that suits your goals, so your widget doesn't just appear randomly. Once targeting is set, you can set the behavior for the notification. Choose whether you want it to be persistent or disappear after a few seconds. You can even control the frequency to avoid annoying your visitors. Now that everything is set, make sure to preview your widget to ensure everything looks and works as expected. Click Save once you're satisfied, and then you can deploy it to your site. Proof offers an easy-to-use platform that enhances social proof and boosts conversions. The notification widget is an essential part of this strategy, and when set up properly, it can significantly impact your sales and user engagement. Remember, this software integrates seamlessly with a lot of other platforms, so it'll work well whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, or a custom-built site. For those looking to get started, don't forget, we have an exclusive offer linked below that lets you try Proof for free. This is a great opportunity to see the software's power firsthand, with no strings attached. Plus, our extended free trial gives you even more time to explore everything Proof has to offer. So go ahead, grab that free trial and get started today. This simple widget setup will not only increase trust with your visitors, but also drive conversions like never before. Stay tuned for more tips and advanced tricks on using Proof to its full potential.